And of course, the family is here also. Magandang gabi po sa family ni Senator Manny and to everyone. Up with me. Sabi niya, publicly, privately, in our Bible study groups, even sa bahay, and all the friends, he would say, without Christ, I am nothing. Every time, ang kayamanan natin, hindi natin madadala sa hukay. Ang kasikatan natin, baliwala ito. Pag lumipas tayo sa buhay na ito, is nothing. So to Brother Manny, I'm sure if he would say it again tonight, he would want and he would desire that all of us, you are my Lord. Without you, we are nothing. But because we have you in our life,
kain na, i-serve yung pagkain. Nagutom na yung mga bisita. Salamat sa inyong pag-attend dito ngayong gabi. Nagpapasalamat ako sa unang-una sa Panginoon.